This workshop is presented by the Rexburg Free Clinic Public Health Department, and today we'll be discussing mental health among Rexburg students. So here are some Rexburg facts for you. The city is about 10 square miles. The 2021 population was estimated to be 30,868 people. The median age is 23.2 years old, and that is greatly impacted by the college for sure. The racial composition is 91.17% white, and the next largest demographic being two or more races at 3.28%. The BYUI student body totaled 14,500 in spring semester of 2021, which is about 47% of the total population of Rexburg. And then here are some mental health statistics from Rexburg. So the Madison Memorial Hospital, the only hospital located in Rexburg, receives an average of 400 mental health related visits annually. 50% of these are 18 years old or younger. In October 2019, the Rexburg Police Department reported 13 people as suicidal or in need of mental help, and 7 of those were transported to a local mental health facility for further treatment and help. Idaho also was ranked as the 5th highest state for death by suicide in 2019. And to help broaden the perspective, we'd like to include some national mental health statistics. So more than 50% of people will be diagnosed with a mental illness or disorder at some point in their lifetime. 1 in 5 Americans will experience a mental illness in a given year. 1 in 5 children, either currently or at some point during their life, have had a seriously debilitating mental illness. 1 in 25 Americans live with a serious mental illness, such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or major depression. And these come straight from the CDC. Continuing this also from the CDC, we have some percentages. And so 11.2% of adults 18 years or older have regular feelings of worry, nervousness, or anxiety. 4.7% of adults aged 18 or older have regular feelings of depression. The last recorded number of suicide deaths per year was 47,511, and there is 14.5 suicide deaths per 100,000 population. Factors that contribute to mental illness include early adverse life experiences like trauma or a history of abuse. That can include child abuse, sexual assault, witnessing of violence, experiences related to other ongoing medical conditions, things that can be chronic like cancer, diabetes, pain management issues like nerve-related issues, as well as biological factors or chemical imbalances in the brain, use of alcohol or drugs, having feelings of loneliness or isolation. So the BYUI also released some more information regarding their student body. So like we mentioned before, in 2021 spring semester, the campus reported 14,500 students living in Rexburg, and it was estimated that 10,342 were male students, and throughout the year were 10,800 female students. So that's about 49% male, 51% female. And then we have of students that are married, 4,970, and that is 24% of the total campus-based student population. So here in town, we have a nonprofit medical clinic called the Rexburg Free Clinic, and they are an organization that treats patients completely free of charge. They were founded in May of 2019, established on the belief of neighbors helping neighbors. They provide primary care, sexual health, and mental health services. All of our providers are volunteers. All patients are accepted, and there's no proof of anything required. Beginning January 2022, the clinic will expand their mental health services to include counseling. The clinic has the following goals for 2022 regarding mental health in Rexburg: Provide BYUI students with free mental health treatment and counseling. Prioritize patients 18 plus with histories of mental illness by offering appointments within 2 days of contact. Hold quarterly education classes on mental illness and wellness. Thank you for your participation. You can engage with the clinic directly on our website, which is linked here below at www.rexburgfreeclinic.org. You can donate there, learn how to volunteer, find out when our next classes will be. If you're interested in scheduling an appointment, please give us a call at 208-716-8723. And if you have any other further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our public health department. Thank you.